Most contractors waste hours every week because they are using the wrong apps on the job site. Here's the truth no one tells you. The best construction app is not always the one with the most features. It is the one your crew will actually use consistently from an iPhone in the field. And in 2026, that matters more than ever. Construction companies are managing schedules, estimates, photos, change orders, payroll, client communication, and inspections directly from smartphones now. But, with hundreds of apps available, choosing the right one can feel overwhelming fast. So in this video, I'll break down the best construction apps for iPhone in 2026 based on real-world use cases. Whether you are a solo contractor, a residential builder, or managing multiple crews, I'll help you figure out which app actually makes sense for your business. Let's start with the biggest mistake contractors make. They search for best construction app like there is one perfect answer. There is not. The best app depends on what problem you are trying to solve. Scheduling? Estimating? Project management? Communication? Accounting? Field reporting? Different apps dominate different categories. But if you want the most balanced all-in-one construction management app for iPhone right now, Buildertrend is one of the strongest overall choices for residential contractors. Why? Because it combines scheduling, client communication, daily logs, budgeting, selections, change orders, and project tracking into one mobile-friendly platform. And the iPhone app is surprisingly solid. A superintendent can upload site photos directly from the field. Homeowners can approve changes from their phones. Office staff can track progress without constant phone calls. That saves massive amounts of time. Now here's where it gets interesting. A lot of contractors think mobile apps are only useful for office tasks. That mindset is outdated. The real value comes from reducing communication delays. Imagine Jake finishes framing work on site. Instead of waiting until evening to update the office, he uploads photos instantly through the app. The project manager sees progress immediately. The client gets notified automatically. That workflow speed matters. But here's the problem. Buildertrend is not cheap. For smaller contractors, the monthly cost can feel heavy, especially if they are not using most of the features. This is where most people fail. They buy oversized software for tiny operations. If you mainly need scheduling and invoicing, something simpler may work better. That brings us to Jobber. Jobber is one of the best iPhone apps for small service contractors in 2026. Especially electricians, plumbers, HVAC technicians, landscapers, and handyman businesses. The mobile app is clean, simple, and fast. You can schedule jobs, send invoices, collect payments, and communicate with customers directly from your phone. And unlike some enterprise construction platforms, Jobber feels approachable. That matters because field crews hate complicated software. Now in a minute, I'll show you the app many contractors overlook completely, even though it solves one huge job site problem better than almost anyone else. But first, let's talk estimating. If estimating is your biggest pain point, BuildSact deserves attention. BuildSact is strong for residential builders and remodelers who want estimating tools directly connected to project workflows. The iPhone Finality helps contractors check estimates, communicate with suppliers, and review project details remotely. And in 2026, mobility is everything. Contractors are rarely sitting at desks anymore. Now here's where it gets interesting. Some newer AI-powered estimating tools are entering the market fast. Apps like Handoff AI and Constructique are pushing automation heavily. These platforms promise faster takeoffs and estimate generation. But many contractors still prefer more proven systems because accuracy matters more than speed when money is involved. A fast bad estimate is worse than a slower accurate one. Now let's talk about communication because this is the category many companies underestimate. One of the best construction apps for communication and crew coordination is ConnectTeam, especially for smaller field teams. The iPhone app handles scheduling, clock-ins, GPS tracking, checklists, team messaging, and forms very well. Imagine Alex runs a roofing crew with 10 workers across multiple job sites. Instead of endless group texts and missed calls, everything runs through one app body. Schedules update instantly. Workers clock in from the field. Managers send announcements. That organization reduces chaos fast. And honestly, reducing chaos is one of the biggest hidden benefits of good construction apps. Now here is the app many contractors overlook. Contractor Foreman. This platform offers a surprisingly large feature set at a lower price compared to some competitors. The iPhone app includes project management, time tracking, inspections, punch lists, scheduling, and daily logs. For budget-conscious contractors, it offers strong value. But here's the catch. The interface can feel less polished than premium competitors. Some users love the affordability. Others prefer smoother user experience even if it costs more. This is where most people fail. They compare apps only on feature count. But usability matters just as much. If your crew refuses to use the app consistently, the feature list becomes irrelevant. Now let's discuss offline functionality, because this is critical for construction sites. Job sites often have terrible internet. A good construction iPhone app needs at least partial offline capabilities. Apps like Procore perform relatively well here for larger commercial projects. Procore is extremely powerful for enterprise-level construction management. RES, Gite, submittals, document management, field collaboration, project financials. The iPhone app is robust. But honestly, Procore is usually overkill for small residential contractors. It shines more in commercial construction environments with large teams and complex coordination. And yes, the pricing reflects that. Now let's talk accounting, because many contractors still separate field apps from financial apps. QuickBooks remains one of the most widely used accounting apps for contractors using iPhones. It handles invoicing, expenses, receipts, payroll, and reporting reasonably well for smaller operations. But larger contractors often combine QuickBooks with project management apps because accounting alone is not enough anymore. That combination strategy is becoming extremely common in 2026. Now here's something important. The best app also depends on your crew's age and tech comfort level. Younger teams often adapt quickly. Older crews may resist complicated workflows. That is why simplicity matters so much in field software. The best construction app is the one people use daily without fighting it. And honestly, mobile speed matters more than flashy design. If an app takes too many taps to upload a photo or update a task, crews stop using it. That sounds small, but it becomes a huge operational issue over time. Now, let's answer the main question directly. What is the best construction app for iPhone in 2026? For residential builders wanting an all-in-one platform, Buildertrend is one of the strongest choices. For small service contractors, Jobber is hard to beat. For commercial construction management, Procore remains extremely powerful. For budget-conscious contractors needing broad functionality, Contractor Foreman offers strong value. For team communication and field coordination, ConnectTeam works very well. And for estimating focused workflows, BuildXact is worth serious consideration. The real answer depends on your business model. That is the truth most videos oversimplify. A solo handyman does not need the same software as a 50-person commercial contractor. Now, here is my biggest recommendation. Before buying any construction app, test the mobile experience yourself. Not just the desktop version. Open the iPhone app. Try uploading photos. Create a task. Send an invoice. Clock in. Navigate between screens. Because field usability determines long-term success. And remember this. Construction software should reduce friction, not create more of it. If your app saves time, improves communication, and gives better visibility into projects, it is doing its job. If it creates confusion and slows crews down, it is the wrong tool, no matter how advanced the features sound. Hopefully this video helped you narrow down the best construction app for your business in 2026. If it did, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and comment below with the construction apps your team is currently using. I'd love to know what is working out there in the real world. And if you want more honest reviews of contractor software, estimating tools, and construction tech, Make sure you subscribe because we have a lot more videos coming soon.